What are black holes? Why are they cool? And I'm going to show you how they're cool. Black holes are very mysterious and often misunderstood. Black holes are huge concentrations of mass and gravity at a single point called a singularity. This is partially proven by Einstein's theory of relativity in 1915. Einstein's theory did not outright prove that black holes existed, but it did lay the groundwork for the discovery of black holes later on. His theory only disproved them for now. Black holes are made up of two parts: the accretion disk, which is where all the matter orbits around the black hole, and the event horizon, where if mass falls in, not even light can escape. Now, the common misconception is that black holes suck. They do not. Black holes actually have the objects orbit around them. They do not suck objects in. Now, for a quick history lesson. Black holes were first observed by John Michell in 1783. He called them cold stars. It was then added on to by Albert Einstein in 1915 with his theory of general relativity. His theory was faulty, though, and was later improved by J. Robert Oppenheimer and his students, who sought to amend the mistakes of his theory. Riccardo Giacconi later observed Cygnus X1 in 1971 with him and his research team. This was the first time that a black hole was actually observed in the modern day and age, and marked the golden age of black hole exploration and research. While this is not the complete history of the black hole's discovery, it is a general timeline of the discovery. Now, a quick demonstration. As you enter a black hole, falling into it further and further, you undergo a process that's called spaghettification, where your body appears to stretch out like a piece of spaghetti. You also experience time dilation, and to an outside observer, it's weird. The outside observer simply observes you slowly fading away into nothingness, almost like you never existed at all. Scientists still do not totally understand this phenomenon. Now, what is time dilation? Time dilation is weird. It is suspected that it is caused by the immense gravity of the black hole and causes time for you to appear to slow down, and for outside observers, your time also slows down. Again, this is not fully understood and is mostly theoretical physics. Now for yet another common misconception. The misconception that black holes can be observed. They can only be observed because of their effects on light and celestial objects that they affect. Black holes break space and time. They cannot be directly observed by normal instruments and only special instruments. Black holes do come in different sizes: primordial, massive, and supermassive. This is crucial, as if Stephen Hawking's theory of Hawking radiation is true, then that would say that the supermassive black holes will decay slower than the primordial or massive black holes. Again, this is theoretical and has never been observed nor seen in the known universe. Now for one of the weirdest phenomenon, the information loss paradox. Black holes theoretically destroy anything that enters their gravitational pull. And if matter cannot be created nor destroyed, then why does that matter just not exist anymore? This is a theoretical question that is theorized by physicists and scientists alike in the field. This is not understood at all and is still a topic of debate. So why does this matter? Why does any of this matter? Well, there are multiple reasons. Number one, most galaxies have a supermassive black hole at the center that helps keep the galaxy moving in a sort of spiral direction. Now, this is important because this is a crucial step of the stellar evolution process of galaxies. And don't worry, the Earth is not going to blow up because of a black hole or something. They don't suck, remember?